In this hand, I had on my left a young Israeli guy who just came at the table maybe 10 minutes before that and played only a couple of hands, winning, losing, calling everything. I know him from before. Pretty wild player. You cannot even call that loose, just wild. And I don't think he really knows what he's doing. Big blind, next to him, older Israeli guy, previous two pots in a row. So I'm doing good, and suddenly I'm on a button and I have a pocket queens. I raised $11 and both of these Israeli guys called. Flop, no likey there. King high beats me. Plus, when he bet in a small blind, 35, which is like pot size, I decided to call. Small blind, I cannot put on ace queen, not even the big blind, so I'm safe there. Queen 9 possible, jack 10, king jack, king 10, every combination that's part of their range, any two cards. And my problem here is that both of them are in hand. One of them should be with the king. So am I on a draw here? I need an ace, but I just couldn't fold queens, knowing that they're really not much of a players. Turn card was 7, irrelevant, but they both check. So I'm on a draw here, I think. But it puzzles me. If there's a king, why are they checking? So this is what gave me a plan to attack this on a river. Well, river is irrelevant, and the young guy goes all in. Wait, I had to think about it. I actually just visually counted his chips like, 5, 10, 15, 20, about $85, $90. I was not sure what the size is. I didn't ask. Then I look in a pot. I'm counting the pot. There's over $100 in a pot. About 120, I think. So now the total pot is about $200. What do I do here? Again, king on a flop. I understand the bet. I don't understand the call and the fold on a turn, on a river by big blind. But I'm pretty sure he doesn't have a king. So, without even questioning jack 10, I called. He shows ace 5 off. Really? So he's chasing a gut shot straight. Tries to scare me with 35. On a turn, it didn't come, so he checks. Because I called. I may have ace king with my pre-flop raise. And that's part of my range. Even I'm on a button. I'm an older guy with the white hair. Not white, gray. Checking the turn gave me a hint that he doesn't have a king. And for sure he doesn't have two pair because you don't call and check the turn. So he was afraid of my call. River comes, irrelevant card, which means he has to bet. Otherwise he cannot win. So I win their nice pot, about $350.